You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, a word from French, which is why it's a bit confusing and why the pronunciation is not very intuitive. If you want to learn more French, stay tuned. In French, the pronunciation is as Bobeche. This is why in English, Bobeche. Bobeche. Yes, CH in French is pronounced like SH, so Bobeche. Bobeche. Candle, chandelier, Bobeche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.